Call me at 3 AM, telling me that I could be the one. Oh yeah. Maybe I was in love from the outside. Yes, I ain't what you want no more. If you got someone else inside of your life, yeah, that's good for you, I'm happy. You got someone that makes you smile more than I ever did, yeah, that's great. Listen, why they always tryna hurt me? Why they always tryna burn me? I swear to God, should've never even happened in the first place. Only time you hit me's on my
Alright guys, so this video is going to be a talk through, you know, just watch and see for yourself. So the very first thing I'm going to do are my brows, and I'm going to be using this Face by Shana, and it's an indelible gel brow liner, dark brown, defined brows. Okay, better than ever before. Highly pigmented, long wearing, waterproof gel will glide on smoothly and precise. Apply with brow brush. I don't use pomades, I don't use stuff like this. I use like my regular stuff. And you guys find the intro, I have my brush folio out and ready. So this brush is ideal for something. Well, let me see if it's ideal or not. Where is my mirror? God of grace. You need to buy one of those mirrors that, you know, the long ones. I'm using this, you know, perched on something. So my makeshift mirror. So I really need to buy it. So anyway, I was saying that this brush, I think, let me see. This brush is from my Dipped in Elegance set, no, at Fontana Pharmacy. So let me see if it works or not. While I'm watching Elementary season 5. So I'm just quickly doing my brows, and I must say the brush that I use for this works completely well with this product. Also, when it dries on the brush, it doesn't get stiff and unmovable. Like the following day, I can just, you know, like work it into like a paper towel or something, and then it becomes flimsy again, and the brush becomes like there's nothing in it at all. So I like it. This is dark. This says dark brown. I mean, it's brown. You can see it doesn't. Yo, this is darn near black on my skin, man. Alright, I want to realize when I draw the line, I can actually pull down from the line to do my brows. Wow. So now I'm just feathering in here. Oh my gosh. And let's see if... Alright, then using my... Okay, going back in with some more. And then I'm putting it right under my lash, my brow hairs. Oh wow, I like this. Let's do the other one. So I'm just using Spice, and Spice is actually a foundation by ShadesByGAL. I use foundations, I use concealers, it doesn't matter to me, it's lighter, and I like how this works with the foundation as well. It blends into my skin nice. It's not too light and it's not too dark. So again, this is Spice from ShadesByGAL, and ShadesByGAL is a Jamaican owned company. Yo, these brows, I mean, granted they're dark, but I'm gonna do a real dramatic lift, you know what, to compensate for it or whatever. But these brows though. Okay, so fun fact, I am not going to be using my Fenty primer today. It's the only primer I use now. Because I'm just doing this video for you guys, just for shits and giggles. So I'm going to go in with chestnut. And I'll let you guys know if I'm going to mix it with pecan. But definitely for my highlight, I'm going to use Spice. And all of these are from ShadesByGAL. ShadesByGAL and ShadesByGAL. So I'm going in with chestnut, no? Yeah, chestnut, no. So it's red. It's pretty red, but let's see what can happen. Oh, ShadesByGAL is a Jamaican owned company, but they operate out of, I believe it's New York, so they operate in the US. So if you were to order something and you were in the US, you can get it straight ways, boo. Straight ways. Alright? Oh, that's not bad. Which one? Of course, my Sedona Lace brush in 602. Okay, not bad. Alright, not bad. Alright, so I am using pecan. Is pecan? No, Spice from ShadesByGAL. So I'm just using my beauty sponge, and this is the one from Fenty Beauty to blend out. This is Spice, to blend out Spice. Then I'm going in with, oh my god, what's this called? Espresso is the darkest one in the LA Girl concealer lineup, and I'm using this to do my low lights. And then I'm going to grab my Sculpting in Paradise. This brush is from my Pour Me in Paradise collection. Was at Fontana, but now it's sold out. Let me know if I should bring back that palette. I mean, not palette, if I should bring back that brush. So now I'm going in with my Ben Nye Neutral Set, and it's just white, and I'm using it to set everywhere that I place Spice. Then I'm going in with my Black Opal 700 Deep, and I'm putting that everywhere I did not put Spice. So that's what I'm doing now. This palette is also from ShadesByGAL. It is eons old. Eons. I mean, I've had this palette for a very long time. I don't know if it's on the website. I haven't seen it, but maybe it is. I don't know. But this is from ShadesByGAL as well. So I'm just going to let some music play, because everything that I do is pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to be repeating myself. So please enjoy the rest of the tutorial, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment. It really helps out my channel when you do that, and also when you share the video as well. With the algorithm, we rank higher the more you share and the more you comment and like. What that means is that what we're doing, you like it, so then YouTube kind of bumps us up because, you know, we're liked, and what we're creating on their platform makes sense. So because it makes sense on their platform, they're going to promote what makes sense so that they can make some more money. Alright, so all these palettes that I'm using, you guessed it, are from ShadesByGAL. They don't have a name specifically, because each what you call them, eyeshadow has like a name for itself. So I'm just using greens and purples, because the palette just says like 12 pan palette. It doesn't say like island palette or anything like that. So yeah, thanks guys. That was a kiss, by the way. The yep, kiss. Oh! What I just used on my eye just now for that cut crease is my NW35 concealer from MAC. I spoke about this in my February faves. This thing is amazing, and it does not crease. Do you hear me? Does not crease. Are you listening to me? Does not crease.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me want a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a deceased. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like some me stuck in a traffic and me lay behind cars.
Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Yeah. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching. Searching for my freedom, it's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting. Hurting, yeah. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
Can't bother for living a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little load pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camp of pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass. So me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. We freed up the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like me stuck in a traffic and me behind cars. I say free and me.